Fit. Strong. And healthy. Regardless of any status in life. Young or old. Rich or poor. That's what we all want. But good health can't be taken for granted. So it's good to know that there are people working hard for our health. And they are there to help us when we're sick. In fact, healthcare is one of the largest sectors in the economy. And it's continuing to grow. By continuously seeking and finding new answers to challenges, healthcare companies are driving medical progress. One of the leading companies in healthcare is Gelinas. We produce high-quality medical services and are constantly developing new and better therapies. We are working to deliver high-quality, affordable healthcare. We are proud to serve. We are Gelinas.